Beautiful flowers and moments is what this is all about. I know that we're all busy. Well, I'm very busy. So what I've done is I've put a collection of flowers together so that all you have to do when you get them home is to pick up a vase, any kind of a vase, and plop them in. Everything has been put into its wee groups. It's always easier to do that. And I'm calling this design Gentle Breeze because that's what the colours remind me of. Vase. Into this vase, I'm going to put a couple of pieces of olive, and then I'm going to put in one of these big dried hydrangeas. And when you hear them, they actually sound like they're that end of season, dried off kind of form. One into there, one over to there. Now, I've got some holly. I'm just going to put a bit of holly into there, bit there. Equal distance between all of your placing usually makes it a little bit easier to be working with. You can bend these down or you can lift them up, whichever way you want to do it. This giant hydrangea is my favourite. It is beautiful. I love it. That can go into the middle there, and it's got just enough green on there so that you don't need any other kind of green. Now, I've got 3 of these lovely peonies. Look at those colours. Isn't that just delicious? So these can go in at equal distance between the others, and then that can go over to there. And I'm working back to front, so I hope this looks all right at the end. Now, what have I got here? I've got 1 big giant rose. I'm just going to put that into there. I've got 2 lovely budded stems. One can go over to there, and then this one, I'll just put that just a little bit lower. And then I've got these lovely Montana black, beautiful rose hips. Look at that colour. That can go into there, and that one can go over and into there. Very informal, as if you've just gone outside and had a good pick, and then brought them inside. Let's have a look. I hope it's looking all right your side, because I can't see. Oh yeah, that's the, oh yes, I love it. So just lift some up and put some down and just do whatever you want to do with them, because at the end of the day, there's nothing grander than saying, when somebody asks you about your flowers, that you can say, I made that myself.